Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain why CSS selector locator type has highest priority over the XPath expression locator type. So let's get started. Compared to the XPath expressions, CSS selectors have the highest priority. As already explained in one of the previous sessions of this course about the priority of the locators, that ID locator has the first priority or the highest priority. If it is not possible for us to use ID locator in helping the automation tools like Selenium in finding or locating the UI element on the web pages, then we go for the name locator. That means name locator has a second priority. If ID is not possible, then we'll use name locator. If ID and name both are not possible, then we are going to use class name locator. But if these three locator types are not possible, then only we'll go for the fourth priority locator, that is link text locator. But what if there is a situation where you cannot either use ID locator, name locator, class name locator, link text locator for helping automation tools like Selenium in finding or locating the elements on the web page? Then only we'll go for the CSS selector locator, which is a fifth priority. But what if there is a situation where these five locator types are not helping the automation tool in finding or locating the element on the web pages? Then only as a final savior, we'll go with the XPath expression locator. That means which one out of all the locator types has the lowest priority? XPath expressions have the lowest priority. Highest priority is ID locator. Now, let's compare this CS selector and XPath expression. Which locator type out of this CS selector and XPath expression has highest priority? CS selector locator type has highest priority over the XPath expression because this is fifth priority, this is sixth priority. That means CS selector locators have the highest priority over the XPath expression locators. Got it right? But let me explain the reason behind this. Okay, let me explain the reason behind that. Okay, so why we have to decide or learn about the priority when compared with the CS selectors and XPath expression. In real time, you will come across a situation where there is a web page. On this web page, there is a UI element. Now, assume that there is a situation where ID locator, name locator, class name locator, and link text locator failed in helping the automation tools like Selenium in finding or locating the UI elements on the web page. What are the remaining locators possible? Either you have to go with CS selector locator or XPath expression locator. Fortunately, both these locator types can be used by automation tools like Selenium in finding or locating the elements on this web page as part of the situation. Assume that. Okay. If both are possible, I cannot use both. I have to choose one of these two items. Either I can go with CS selector or XPath expression. Only one. So I need to choose CS selector. Okay. In this situation, I need to go for CS selector. Since ID name, class name, link text are not at all possible, the remaining options left out with us are CS selector and XPath expression. Now two are possible. I have to choose one of them. I will go with the CS selector because CS selector has highest priority over the XPath expression. So I'll be using the CS selector locator to help the automation tool like Selenium in finding or locating this UI element on the web page in this kind of situation. But why so? Why we have to give highest priority to CS selector, or why the CS selector has highest priority over the XPath expression? I'm going to answer right now. Okay. On the left side, I'm going to type XPath expression. On the right side, I'm going to type CSS selector. Okay. On the left side, I'm going to type XPath expression, and on the right side, I'm going to type CSS selector. Okay. Like this, I'll type. Okay. Now, let me put some borders here and let me compare these two things. Okay. So by the end of the session, you'll understand why the CS selectors have the highest priority over the XPath expression locators. Okay. So here we have XPath expressions. So compared to the XPath expressions, CS selectors are bit faster. Okay, they are bit faster than XPath expressions. This is the first reason why the CS selectors have the highest priority over the XPath expressions, because CSS selectors have the are bit faster. Okay, they are bit faster when compared to the XPath expressions. What about XPath expressions? They are bit slower than CSS selector locator types. Okay. These XPath expressions are a bit slower when compared to the CS selectors. XPath expressions are a bit slower when compared to the CS selectors are a bit faster. So what does it mean? It's not like a tortoise and rabbit, guys. Okay, don't think that CS selector is a rabbit and XPath expression is like a tortoise. It's not like there are two rabbits. Okay, both the things are rabbits only. XPath is a rabbit and CS selector is also a rabbit. Both can run faster. But when compared, when you put a competition between these two rabbits, one of the rabbit will win, right? In that, the fastest rabbit is CS selector. Okay, both can run faster, guys. If I say XPath expressions are a bit slower than CS selector, doesn't mean that XPath expressions are slow. They are a bit slower when compared to CS selector. Okay, XPath expressions are also fast, But when compared to CS selectors, okay, they lose. They are kind of slow when compared to CS selectors. But coming to CS selectors, they are a bit faster. Okay. So that's what is the thing, guys. XPath expressions are not slow; they are also faster, but CS selectors are even more faster. Okay, so that's why we have to give the CS selectors more priority over the XPath expression. This is one of the reason. The other reason here is earlier days. Okay, not nowadays, but earlier days we used to have a browser known as IE browser, Internet Explorer browser. We used to have the IE browser earlier days. Okay, we used to have the IE browser earlier days. So this Internet Explorer browser is from Microsoft. If you have the Windows operating system like me, like this, if you have Windows operating system, we used to get IE browser. But now this IE browser got deprecated already. Okay, Microsoft company has already deprecated this IE browser. But earlier XPath expressions were not supported properly by the IE browser engine. Earlier days when we used to have the IE browser, okay, we have to run the automation scripts on IE browser. In that kind of situation, if you are using XPath expressions to help the automation tools like Selenium in finding or locating the elements on the web page, in some situations, the XPath expressions used to fail. Even though we create proper XPath expressions, okay, the scripts used to fail. The reason behind that was XPath expressions, okay, are not completely supported, not supported properly by IE browser engine. IE browser engine. What about CS selector locator type? Are they supported properly by the IE browser engine? Yes, supported, supported by, supported properly by IE browser engine. Okay, this was a situation of the earlier case because nowadays we don't have the IE browser, but earlier days, okay, people used to give more priority to CS selectors over the XPath expressions because sometimes XPath expressions used to fail in the IE browser when you run the scripts on IE browser using Selenium. Okay, that was a situation earlier days. But nowadays, anyhow, the IE browser is not there. This comparison is no more required. Okay, the comparison of whether XPath expression support are supported by the IE browser engine, CS selectors are supported by the IE browser engine is not required these days because IE browser is no more. It's already deprecated and discontinued by the Microsoft company. Okay, Microsoft is asking us to use Edge browser. Okay, asking the users to move to the Edge browser. If you want to use IE browser, go to the Edge browser. Like that, they are asking you. Okay, so even if you search in the Windows operating system for Internet Explorer, you will not get any browser name. Okay, you see, Microsoft Edge is coming, IE is not coming. Okay, so that is the situation nowadays. So there is no need to compare these two things. Okay, whether this XPath expression is supported by IE browser these days, CS selector is supported by IE browser because IE browser itself is not there. So earlier it used to be there. So a lot of people who are giving more priority to the CS selectors over the XPath expressions from the long period of time still continue with the same notation. Okay, even the IE browser is not there, still they follow the same process. Okay, this comparison is no more useful. The second comparison is no more useful, but people have got habituated to use CS selectors over the XPath expression by giving the priority. So in most of the projects, if every type of locator is being used to help the automation tool in finding or locating the elements on the web pages, people generally give first priority to ID, second priority to name, class name as third priority, link test as fourth priority, fifth priority goes for the CS selector, XPath expression, last priority. Okay, so because of this previous difference, right, it got implanted in the people brain, like, we have to give CS selectors more priority over the XPath expression. So we cannot change that thought process anyhow, even though this is not this need not be considered these days. Okay, but this one can be still considered. Okay, CS selectors are a bit faster than XPath expressions, whereas XPath expressions are a bit slower than CS selector. And one more thing, one more difference I find when compared to CS selectors and XPath expressions personally is CS selectors are simpler. Okay, it's very simple to write. You don't have to write lengthy XPath expressions. Instead, we can simply write shorthand CS selectors. Okay, so but XPath expressions are not simple. When compared to the CS selectors, XPath expressions are not simple, and when compared to the XPath expressions, CS selectors are simple. Okay, so I prefer to use simple things, right, over the complex things. I generally prefer to use over the lengthy things. I prefer to use the simple and shorthand things. So personally, if I can also give the highest priority to CS selector over the XPath expressions. Okay, I can also give the highest priority to CS selectors over the XPath expression because I will definitely choose CS selectors over the XPath expression because CS selectors are simpler when compared to the XPath expressions in usage. Apart from being bit faster than XPath expression, CS selectors are also simple. This case you can ignore these days, but this notation which was there earlier. This was one of the important difference or one of the important thing that has led the people to decide CS selectors should have the highest priority over the XPath expression. That's second difference. But nowadays, this is not valid. Second difference or comparison is not valid. But still, people got habituated. So it resulted in people getting habituated of using CS selectors to give the highest priority over the XPath expression locator. So hope you got the clarity right. What are the reasons behind why CS selector locator type has highest priority over the XPath expression locator type? Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.